How to trim and cut video in CapCut. Trimming and cutting a video on CapCut is rather quite simple. First, you open up the CapCut video editor app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. So of course, you can just agree to all these terms and conditions. Tap on new project and simply select your own project right here. So allow the access, and after that choose the project that maybe you'd like to trim or cut or whatever else it is. Now first of all, you can see this particular option right here. You can see this is our video. To trim it out, you can see this particular drag icon on the right hand side and the left hand side, which is at both the ends. So you can trim it to a certain part that you no longer need by just dragging it towards the inside. So hold on it to select it like this, and once you've done that, just drag it to the part that you do not need, and that video will get trimmed automatically just like that. Now to cut it though, let's say there's a certain portion, take this little marker to that particular portion, then tap on split, go to the other option and tap on split. Let's say this is the middle portion you want to cut, just delete that and the two parts will be stitched all together by itself. This is how you can trim and cut video in CapCut. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.